This video is going to demonstrate splitting a pallet in SAP Business One using Agility 360's Split Pallet application for a serialized item. First, we're going to start by opening up our Agility grid using our Agility Desktop Explorer here. We're going to check out our inventory pallet view grid, which allows us to see all pallets and cartons in the system. And we're going to start by scanning in the pallet that we're going to be splitting. That's pallet 9667. As you can see here, it currently has two serialized items on it, this 009 and 008. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be splitting this pallet into two, keeping the original 9667 with the original batch 009 on it. And then we are going to create a new pallet with this batch 008 in a new bin 05D instead of 05A2 S4L2. So we are also going to jump over to SAP here, take a look at the item in the system. If we go ahead to our bin location content list, we're going to see that that bin currently has a quantity of 95 sitting in it here, A2 S4L2. That quantity is going to reduce to 94. As we split our pallet, we're going to see a new bin join the list. The list will expand to 7. 05D will be here, and the quantity will be 1. We can also drill into our batches, and as you will see, those batches 008 and 009 are currently sitting there in that bin. 008 will leave that list and go to bin 05D. Okay, so now I'm going to close this out, and we're going to pull up our Agility 360 mobile emulator. This is going to show Agility 360 exactly how it would look on a mobile device in your warehouse. We're going to go ahead up to distribution, switch to pallets, and go down to split pallet. And now once this form loads, we're going to start by simply scanning our serialized pallets label. So there it is, 9667. Now we're going to scan the item on it, A00006, and the serial number that we are going to remove, which is that 008. And now we are going to do a new pallet. So we can do that by hitting enter, or you can move it to an existing pallet. So we're going to hit enter there. We're going to keep it in warehouse 05. And now we're going to scan our new bin 05D. And now this transaction is going to take place here. And once that is loaded, we're going to take a look at the effect in the system. All right, now we're going to jump to my Agility grid here. And now when we refresh, we will see, since I currently have pallet 9667 in here, we're going to see that 008 leave the pallet. And now if we remove this, we'll see a new pallet at the top of our list because it's sorted by most recent. And we are going to see that 008 on the new pallet 9674 in the system. And if we jump over to SAP here, bring up our bin location content list, we're going to see our new bin 05D with a quantity of 1 and our old bin reduced by 1. If we pull up the batches in our old bin, we will no longer see 008. And if we pull up the batches in our new bin 05D, we are going to see 008. Thank you for watching.